Welcome to A-Level Biology. My name is Mr. Price and I am the subject leader for biology at Llanishen High School. I'm going to run you through an overview of what you can expect from A-Level Biology at Llanishen High School and hopefully answer any questions that you may have.
So A-Level Biology is a 2-year course. In Year 12, you'll study AS Biology, which will be worth 40% of the qualification. In Year 13, you'll do A2 Biology, which is worth 60% of the qualification. AS Biology will consist of 2 units. The first unit is basic biochemistry and cell organization. Now you can see on the left-hand side the 6 topics that this unit covers. That's biological molecules, cell structure and organization, cell membranes, enzymes, nucleic acids, and cell division. Now this exam will be examined in June of Year 12, and the paper that you'll expect to receive will be 1 hour and 30 minutes long, 80 marks in total. This will be 20% of the A-level qualification. If we're talking about the AS biology, this will be 50% of the AS biology grade. A range of short and longer structured questions and 1 extended response question, which is a QER question, similar to what you had at GCSE, which is worth 9 marks. The final unit that you'll study in Year 12 is Biodiversity and Physiology of Body Systems, in which you'll cover classification and biodiversity, adaptation for gas exchange, adaptation for nutrition, and adaptation for transport. This will be examined in June of Year 12, and the paper will be similar in format to the Unit 1 paper. Now in Year 13, you'll study 3 units. The first unit is Unit 3, Energy, Homeostasis and the Environment, where you will study importance of ATP, photosynthesis, respiration, microbiology, population size of ecosystems, human impact on the environment, homeostasis in the kidney, and the nervous system. This will be examined in the June of Year 13, and the paper will be 2 hours long with 90 marks. This will be 25% of the A-level qualification. Again, the paper will have short and longer structured questions, and some will be in a context that are practical based. You will also receive 1 extended response question. Unit 4, Variation, Inheritance and Options. In Unit 4, you will look at sexual reproduction in humans, sexual reproduction in plants, inheritance, variation and evolution, and application of reproduction and genetics. There is an optional section where you can choose from 1 of 3 options. We tend to cover the immunology and disease topic. This exam will be examined in June of Year 13, and again, like Unit 4, is 2 hours long and is worth 25% of the qualification. The difference is there are 2 sections to this unit, 70 marks, a range of short and longer structured questions and 1 extended response. And then section B, which is 20 marks, which consists of questions only from the optional topic that you were taught. Now, like all A-level science subjects, Unit 5 is the practical examination. This is split up into 2 sections. The first section is the experimental task, which is worth 20 marks. This is where you come into the classroom, you work from a method and you perform a practical that you haven't seen before, and you usually have to draw things like a table, a graph, and answer a few questions related to that experiment. The second activity is a practical analysis task, where you will have a more formal exam in the exam hall, and this will be 30 marks in total. Usually this consists of things like risk assessments, statistical tests, and other practical based questions. This overall Unit 5 practical examination is worth 10% of the A-level qualification and is examined in late spring before Unit 3 and 4. Now, to prepare you for the practical exam, in A-level biology, we follow a lab book, and there are 31 specified practical activities that you will cover from year 12 and year 13. So if you like practical lessons, A-level biology is the subject for you. These practicals include 4 dissections, which are always very, very popular. Now, you've seen how you'll be assessed at the end of the year, formally in exams. We're now going to just discuss quickly how you'll be assessed day to day. You'll receive regular homework, which will be assessed. At the end of topics, you will have tests. With these tests, we are able to give you feedback on what you can do and also provide feed-forward comments to help you improve your grades and performance in that specific topic. You'll also have mock exams at the end of each unit before you sit the exam. So why choose A-level biology? Well, first of all, we'll look at the skills that A-level biology will develop. A-level biology will enable you to develop an understanding of different areas of biology and how they relate to each other. Competency in a variety of investigative and practical techniques. This would include using a microscope, recording quantitative measurements in a variety of contexts, microbiology, fieldwork, and dissection. You will develop the ability to apply appropriate mathematical skill in biological contexts. You will develop the confidence to apply biological knowledge to unfamiliar contexts, and you will develop the ability to analyze, interpret, and evaluate scientific information. Now, biology is the study of life. It will enable you to develop a vast array of skills and acquire knowledge about the natural world and all the living things within it. Gaining an A-level in this subject opens up a vast range of opportunities, both university degrees and career options. Some of these are shown on the screen. So what are the entry requirements for the course at Llanishen? Well, we'll accept pupils that have done double award science or triple award science. If you have taken double award science at GCSE, we'll expect a minimum of 2 B grades with a B in both biology exams. And if you took triple award, the minimum grade is 3 Bs, all sat at higher tier. Now, the A-level biology course is demanding in both literacy and numeracy skill. So for GCSE mathematics, the minimum grade we'll expect is a B grade, and the same for GCSE English. Now, a common question that we get asked is, what can I study alongside A-level biology? Well, naturally, chemistry is an excellent choice alongside A-level biology. Having the A-level chemistry allows an understanding of A-level biology, such as the AS1 topic, where we look at the biochemistry of things like proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Now, 10% of the A-level grade comes from mathematical skill. So taking a subject such as physics or maths will be key to success in A-level biology. Other subjects that are very common with people who take A-level biology are geography, PE, and psychology. So what do our current students think about A-level biology at Llanishen High School?
I chose the Biology A-level course at Llanishen High School as in the future I'd like to have a career in healthcare such as dentistry. Furthermore, I really enjoyed the GCSE course and knew that from past experience, the passionate, caring teachers such as Mr. Price, Mr. Winters and Miss Thorne are very supportive and very good at explaining complex things. I really liked the first unit of AS Biology, which is biological compounds. This sets the fundamentals of the course. Also, I really enjoy the practical side of the course, such as enzyme experiments, learning hands-on from the things learnt in class. I would 100% recommend studying A-level biology at Llanishen High School, especially if you're coming from GCSE level, as the teachers here know exactly how you learn and they all want the best for you.
I'm in year 13. The reasons I chose biology for A-level is that I found the topic extremely interesting. I also found that it helped me in my other subjects, especially chemistry, due to the Unit 1 Biochemistry course in biology. I also found that biology will help me in attaining my future career prospects, that is medicine. The biology course is very interesting, especially the practical side of things, where we will be able to dissect kidneys and hearts. If you're interested in the topic of biology, I would highly recommend coming to Llanishen Sixth Form.
So on this slide here, you'll see the destination of some of our year 13 from last year.